Hi guys, I'm going to make this cake, but my cousin, I'm going to let him frost it, okay? So, I'll get this together. Let me get what I need, okay? One, you need a pan, well, glass pan, okay? So, I always get to spray the pan, okay? All the edges, right? I hate that. And then, because this one says 350, okay? So, 1 cup of water. Into a bowl, okay? So I put that in. And what kind of vegetable oil that you have? So, give me a minute. I need to open this, guys. Okay? Sometimes if I have trouble opening things up, okay? So, because the reason why I get things like this, like snacks I'm talking about, okay? Is because if you, in your household, you have someone that's a diabetic, so it's actually my husband's a diabetic, okay? So he is the one that I tried my best to keep an eye on. For this cake, you need 3 eggs, okay? So I'm putting them carefully on the counter. Crack them, okay, into the paint bowl that you have, okay? Make sure that you do not put any shells into the bowl. That's the reason why I wait until after I deal with the petition, okay? But when this gets done, the cake itself, okay? I will show you guys how it comes out, okay? And also I'll put this on my husband's and mine main side of baking, cooking wise, okay? So you mix it up, of course. And this one is actually American butter cake. It's what it's called. Even before it gets in the oven, it smells good. I wish we had like a smell version of YouTube. There was a person that we used to watch. It was called Rachel Ray Smell Version. She used to say that all the time. Now I'm putting this straight into the pan. Okay. It's not my best, but I usually do 2 of these. Like, bows. Because how big the pan is. Okay. So, let me get this one a little bit. Because some of the batter didn't slip all the way. Okay, put that in. So this is what it looks like right now. Okay. I'll show you come back when this is complete. So I'll be back probably not so long.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
I'll be back when this is done, okay? I need to figure out how long. Okay? Be back. Hi guys. My husband's on his way out. So I'm going to open this. Well, okay? So that photo, so it says where if you pronounce it red velvet.
Red velvet frosting.
Stand up. What's up, babe?
Hello, everybody. It's me again.
It's yeah, this one is going to be on both of our account.
This is going to, you could open the sprinkles. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to spread, what color is the cake here?
American birthday cake.
Okay, it's a white cake with going with a red velvet frosting and sprinkles. Also, everybody's going to enjoy this.
So I'm going to let you guys know for a podcast, I cannot invite anyone like another channel, but you may see the same thing on both channels of cooking if it's more than one person. Just wanted to let you know.
Also, everybody understands.
I'm going to check something, and then so some things will maybe be a little different on his and my account. So give me a minute.
Give her a minute. But ladies and gentlemen, I hope that you guys understand. It takes me it doesn't, I'm not a good person to frost, but I try my best. Yeah, I know this. Sometimes people could do it, but some people can't.
Yeah, it just depends on the person, how they want to do it. Every cooker can do it.
But I do my best.
Yeah, it's like each person is totally different. But here we're going to put this around. So see, that's what it looks like. I don't care how it looks like.
A cake is a cake.
Yeah. Because like him and I do share a lot of things together. So that's why you may see some things on my main account, his main account. So, oops, sorry guys. So like, you may see some things together, some things separate.
But I get the knife.
Him and I do love frosting.
Big time. Okay, everybody, I'm going to do the sprinkles. My version.
This is the reason why we need a bigger kitchen. Because if I'm going around the kitchen, like, okay.
Okay.
So look, we're how the stove is to the fridge, going around. Okay. It's a little difficult for us. So right now I'm going to put this in the fridge. So give me a minute. So I will try to make a room that's what it's gonna be in. So when we are actually ready to have a cake, we'll actually have it. Otherwise, see you guys soon. Bye.